The cat's meow. Unraveling slang in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, the cat's meow. If you've ever wondered what this quirky expression means and where it comes from, you're in the right place. This phrase is a perfect example of English's colorful slang, and understanding it can add a fun, expressive layer to your language skills. Let's get started. The cat's meow is an idiomatic expression used to describe something that is considered excellent, wonderful, or outstanding. Imagine something so great that it's like a cat purring in absolute contentment. That's the essence of this phrase. It's often used to compliment objects, ideas, or even people, signifying that they are top-notch or highly appealing. This phrase originated in the United States during the 1920s, a time also known as the Roaring Twenties. It was a period marked by its distinctive slang, jazz music, and a post-war desire to break from tradition and embrace modernity. The cat's meow reflects the playful, innovative spirit of the era. Some sources suggest it was popularized by cartoonist Thomas A. Dorgan, who was known for introducing new slang into the American vocabulary. Using the cat's meow in conversation is straightforward. It's best suited for informal settings due to its slang nature. For example, this new coffee shop is the cat's meow. You have to try their latte. Have you seen her dress? It's absolutely the cat's meow. Remember, the phrase adds a vintage or whimsical tone to your speech, making it perfect for light-hearted and friendly interactions. English is rich with animal-related idioms that express admiration or approval. Similar expressions include the bee's knees and the dog's bollocks, both of which also denote something highly commendable or attractive. Each of these phrases has its unique flavor, adding to the diversity and color of English slang. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the cat's meow with us. Understanding such expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the culture and history of the English language. So, next time you find something impressively good, why not describe it as the cat's meow? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.